guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Neha. So recently I posted a story which was a poll on Instagram and I asked you guys if I should do a haul or hacks video, and 73% of you said haul. I gave you 23 hours time to decide this so that each and every one gets a fair chance of voting. And yeah, I'm gonna do haul, and for the other people who voted for hacks, don't worry, we're gonna frame a video about that soon. Okay, so this is a 5 brand haul. As you all know, we are in lockdown and we cannot purchase something new. So these are all the items that I purchased before lockdown, and I'm gonna show you by dividing them into 5 categories. So I have considered 5 brands onto this, which include Mamaearth, Shein, Amazon, Sugarbox, Nykaa, and we are going to talk about pros and cons, review, whether I'll repurchase it or what are the cons and pros in that product. So I have combined over 4 video ideas into one, so it is a time saving video for you. You're going to get to know each and everything about that particular product, so continue watching. So yeah, let's quickly dive into the video. Alright, so as I've already seen, we're gonna talk about category number 1, that is Mamaearth. So if you don't know what Mamaearth is a plastic positive brand. It means that they reduce the more amount of plastic that they actually produce. So this is a very nice measure towards them to save our earth from global warming. The next thing is that all the products that we get onto Mamaearth are silicone and paraben free, and they are applicable to all skin types. So that is why I picked up this skincare brand, and as you all know, it's my favorite brand. Right, so this is, I will share only one product of Mamaearth with you. So we'll move from low range of products to high. I hope you get what I'm trying to say. मतलब कि जैसे पहले one product होगा फिर 2, 3 like this. Okay. One subscriber said that I should speak little bit more in Hindi, so I'll try. Right, so this is by Mamaearth and it's their Upton face mask. This is with saffron, turmeric and apricot oil, and this is for skin lightening and brightening. As already said, it's paraben and silicone free, hypoallergenic and with bioactives. Now, to give my honest review about this product, earlier I did not know about Mamaearth, but as soon as I started using its products, it's absolutely amazing. I chose to use the Upton first because obviously Upton is very soothing on your skin and it would not affect at the very first point of time. But after I started using its products, it's absolutely amazing. What I would recommend is you should, if you are new to this brand, you should start by using this product, that is their Upton face mask, and not anything else. The price is also according to the quality of the product. The price is not much. And to open this, if I'll show you what this actually looks like, it would be this much. I have started using this just before lockdown. I got this, and till then I'm started using this. If you can see, I've already finished more than half of it, and I'm only left with, I guess, 3 or 4 times मैं ये apply कर पाऊँगी. Otherwise I've done with this product and I cannot buy it again. But after the lockdown, definitely I'm gonna repurchase it. So it's a thumbs up from my side. It's totally worth buying. So I would suggest you to buy this definitely. This is a thumbs up from my side. Let's move to a category number 2, that is Amazon. Now, if you know what Amazon is, I hope you all know because it is an online shopping brand. So Amazon is a mediator brand. Now, what do you mean by that is they transfer the products from the retailer to the consumer. Like आपने किसी शॉप से कुछ buy करना है तो वो आपको उसको just like Zomato and Swiggy, I'm missing them. Alright. So I have two products to show you as part of Amazon. We're gonna talk a lot about it. I have a full big carton to show. So let's quickly dive in Amazon products. Right. So the first is this mug that I ordered from Amazon. I have still not started using it because I thought of using this way back in April, but now I have not started using this for several reasons. Now this is a very cute unicorn mug. Please don't mind, I have a lot of items in this haul out of unicorn because you all know that unicorn is my life. I'm gonna attach a picture of this mug on how it looks like because it is very difficult to open because it has a lot of packaging right now. So I'm gonna attach a picture. But the next thing that I wanted to say is that इस को मैंने भी ट्राई नहीं किया है, नॉट स्टार्टेड यूजिंग इट, सो आई कैन नॉट टेल यू अबाउट द प्रिंट की प्रिंट रिमूव तो नहीं होता एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट बिकॉज ऑब्वियसली आई हैव नॉट स्टार्टेड यूजिंग इट, बट द प्रिंट वॉज एज सजेस्टेड इन द पिक्चर. There was nothing different from the picture, so you can consider it as a worthy product. But about how it looks like or if there is any con, I cannot tell you right now. So I'm gonna use it and then I'm gonna tell you about what are the cons in my upcoming videos maybe. Okay, so now let's talk about the next product. So the next product is this. I ordered this again from Amazon. This was a very cute unicorn stuffed toy. Now what is the problem in that was I ordered this as part of a unicorn stuffed toy they had, and they did not ask me the color, which color you want, and they just I just wrote check in and it was started off and I was just like, they haven't asked me the color. There were actually 4 colors maybe or 3 colors, I don't remember, it's way back in 2019. I guess there was yellow, grey and pink and no. So the problem was that they did not ask me the color and I was lucky to get yellow because obviously it works with each and everything. But the problem with that was simply this, that if someone gets the wrong color, it's very difficult actually to return. बहुत easy है बोलना कि it gets returned, but it's very difficult to actually come across. So I would not suggest you to buy this. Not because of the quality is absolutely amazing, not because of that, but the only reason behind that is the color problems are definitely gonna be occurring. Or if you don't get that problem, please let me know if there was some other method to buy that. I don't know. I am purchasing products from Amazon from about 3 or 4 years, but I have never faced this kind of problem. This problem was only with this product, so I thought of sharing this with you. So both the products, about the quality of the unicorn stuffed toy, it's absolutely amazing. It would definitely be a thumbs up from my side in terms of quality. But if you say about the color, I'm not very sure if I should recommend that to you because obviously if you get the wrong color, it's a total loss of money. So definitely I would suggest you to wait and check this on Amazon. If there is a problem with the color, then definitely tell me if there is no problem because it was way back in November when I got it. So yeah, that's it for Amazon. Let's move to the next category. Now we'll talk about category number 3 or brand number 3, that is obviously Shein. I had to include this brand in my haul because this is such a cute brand. If you're searching for cute items, the only destination is Shein. Now I've ordered 2 sort of wallet and bag from Shein. I'll show it to you and let's see what are the pros and cons, right? So the first one was this. I ordered it way back in 2019. I've actually used it a lot more in the month of December, so I can tell you about the quality. Alright, so it says, I am not broke, I am pre-rich. So this was a very cute coin purse. Now see, if you consider about the compartments, it has about 3 compartments on the left hand side, and it has 2 compartments in between, so you could keep a lot of things over here. Till now I have not faced any kind of problem with the product. The product is absolutely amazing. Now this product is quite portable, as you all know. You can carry it anywhere in your small bag as well. तो मेरी तरफ से तो this gets a big thumbs up. I will suggest you to buy this and all kinds of coin purse that they have, because they're absolutely cute और इनका use भी बहुत ज़्यादा है. So I would give a thumbs up from my side. And if you ask me if I'm gonna repurchase these kind of coin purses from Shein, yes, I'm definitely gonna do that, because obviously the product quality is absolutely amazing. Right, so let's talk about the second product out of Shein. So this is a tote that I got from Shein. It still has, I guess, the tag of Shein because I haven't started using it yet. I've used it once, but I just kept it at my home. I just stuffed a lot of items in it that I wish to take out, but then the plan was cancelled, so obviously this bag did not came into use. But what I can say, what are the cons of this product is that, first of all, first con is that it does not have a mini compartment. See, now I don't know if it's my problem or whatever, but I haven't seen any picture on Shein where they have shown that it has a mini compartment. But as we know, each and every bag has a mini compartment. It just has a very large compartment to keep all of your stuff. Now we obviously need a mini compartment to put all the things that we immediately need, but there is no sort of system for that, first of all. Second thing, when I saw this in the picture, it was not this much wide, right? So if you consider it, it was itna. But I don't know how it came up this much wide. What was the problem? There is some problem with the picture. That is why I'm sharing this with you. So if you are buying this bag or any kind of tote, please make sure that whatever is the size is thoda sa aapko enlarge aayega. So make sure that if you are buying this, make sure that the size would be a bit more wider as shown in the picture, right? So if I talk about the coin purse, big thumbs up from my side. I'm definitely gonna repurchase it. But if you talk about the tote, I'm not gonna repurchase totes, because obviously I am very possessive and very particular about size of the bag, because obviously I cannot carry it anywhere because it's so enlarged. Obviously it would cover a lot of items, but obviously about the mini compartment I'm not really happy about. So I'm not gonna suggest you to rebuy. I'm not gonna rebuy totes from Shein. But if you are a person who can do without mini compartment, definitely you can buy from Shein. But about the size, I would not suggest it to you. So yeah, let's quickly dive into the fourth category. Alright, so let's move towards our fourth category. So the fourth category is Nykaa. Now if you don't know what Nykaa is, it's basically a makeup related brand, and they produce their products on their own as Shein does. Right, so first I'm gonna talk about their products. Now I ordered this I guess 2 months before, as far as lockdown just was about to start. I have used this. See, first I'm going to talk about the lip shades that I ordered. So I ordered 2 lip shades. One is in the shade Khoobsurat and second is in the shade Bombay. Now if you have seen my recent video, my routine video, link in the description and picture here. So I used this liquid matte lipstick in that video, right? So the shades of this is absolutely amazing. I cannot doubt on shades, but the only problem was with the size. The size is very small according to the price. I don't know if the quality is absolutely amazing, so they have shared this according to the quality, but according to me the size is very small. I read the reviews also. They also said that the size is very tiny, so definitely we're gonna work on that. The only problem with that was in the picture the size is very big, that which they have shown. Picture में काफी ज़्यादा बड़ा size लग रहा है, but when you order this, the size is very tiny. So what I would suggest is please don't buy the mini version of a lipstick, because it is absolutely tiny than even a sample. जो सैम्पल आता है लिपस्टिक्स का, इट इज टाइनियर देन दैट. सो प्लीज डोंट बाय दिस. अगर आपको कोई शेड पसंद आता है फ्रॉम नायका, बाय द बिगर वन इटसेल्फ. डोंट बाय दिस बिकॉज I think I've made a fool of myself by buying this. I would not suggest this to you. Right, so see the size of the lip shade. I don't know if I'm going to use this more than 3 times even. So I don't know. I'm not going to buy the smaller versions of these. But obviously I'm going to buy the bigger versions because the quality is absolutely amazing. So if you ask me in terms of quality, thumbs up from my side. Very nice, very nice. It's absolutely up to its name. It's liquid matte. Next thing, whether I'm gonna repurchase, no, I'm not gonna repurchase this size. Maybe I'm gonna repurchase the bigger version of this, but not this mini lipstick for sure, because I have a lot of cons according to the size. And next thing, I'm gonna tell you a story. So when I ordered this, they told us that you're gonna get 2 gift coupons along with it, which I haven't got till now. They told me that you're gonna get 2 gifts actually, and they didn't send it to me. So then I posted a complaint. Then they said, okay, you'll get the coupon and not received it till now. So I don't know what they're doing, maybe the lockdown or whatever it is, but there is a lot of problem with Nykaa dealing. So I would not suggest you to buy these first. And about the gift coupons, I don't think so you're gonna get them. So please do not make fool of yourself by thinking that you would get a gift along with it. Okay, so next thing is this eyeliner that I got from Nykaa. Now you have seen this again in my routine video. Now this is in the shade Whimsical Potion. This is a blue, sort of blue turquoise eyeliner. The eyeliner is absolutely amazing. There is no con with the eyeliner. Eyeliner बहुत ही अच्छा है. I would suggest you to buy this. I'm gonna repurchase eyeliners from Nykaa. They're personal eyeliners. So I'm gonna give you a thumbs up from my side. It's totally worth buying, and definitely you should buy this. Right, so if you look at the bottle, it's sort of like this. They have a lot of eyeliners. So I'm gonna link this eyeliner in the description box so that you could buy this. I've even linked this in my previous video. You could check that out. Link in the description. Right, so I feel like it's okay about the lipsticks. I was supposed to tell you this because here I'm there to give you an honest review. If I would give you a false review about each and everything that it's so nice, then there is no point of making this, because this video is a sort of honest review. So I don't feel like you should buy these kind of lip shades. But of course, अगर आपको बड़ा वाला buy करना है, definitely, because the quality is absolutely amazing. Okay, so the last thing that I ordered was a facial oil. It came in this. So this was a facial oil. It's the Skin Potion Radiant Beauty facial oil. Now, till now there is no problems with the facial oil. I don't feel like there is any problems, but I have used it only 2 to 3 times, so I cannot tell you the actual effect. Maybe when I'll use it a number of times, if there is a problem, I'll tell you. But till now there is no problem, so it would definitely get a thumbs up from my side till now, right? So now let's move to the very last category and let's see what it is. Right, so let's talk about the final brand or category. It's Sugar Box. So Sugar Box is a very nice brand. I just love all their products. They're super duper cute and they're super duper easy to use, as well as quality is absolutely amazing. Now let's begin. I'm gonna leave their Instagram page in the description. There might be a lot of unicorn things, so please don't mind, because this I ordered from Sugar Box on the basis of unicorn only. Only one thing is out of the box. So I got it as a gift on my birthday back in December. So this was a sort of box, and it was packed really very well as far as a gift box. It had a very cute keyring, as you can see. I don't know about the price. I purchased it way back. Maybe I'm gonna mention the prices in the description box. Next thing, was this. This is a very very cute eye mask, and I got a set of 2 rings. Now, I would not suggest you to buy this if you are considering कि you want to give a gift that is a lot of items. But if you consider the quality wise absolutely amazing, तो you can give this to anyone. अब इसमें एक चीज आती है कि अगर आप चाहते हैं that you want to give something that has a lot of items, then definitely go for something else. But if you want that the items are purely quality based, then definitely I will suggest you to buy this from Sugar Box. Okay, so let's talk about the next product. So the next 3 products, no, not 3, 4 products are unicorn based. First thing is this. So this is a bottle, unicorn based bottle from Sugar Box. Absolutely amazing bottle. I don't know what to say about it. The pattern is so very nice. I am using this from about a month and there is no problems. But the only problem that I face now, I'm going to give you an honest review right now. See what has happened to this. I don't know, this just fell down accidentally and this got detached from the main bottle. I don't know what is the problem with the bottle. Maybe the quality of the bottle was so stick proof that it just broke down, and it was not a very high fall, it was just a simple fall and it just got detached. I don't know what is the problem with the bottle, or maybe the stick that they applied, the glue or whatever, it got removed. So I would suggest you कि अगर आप कोई भी bottle buy कर रहे हैं Sugar Box से, make sure that you take care of it very very well. If you can take care of it very very well and can take the guarantee that it would not get detached, whatever, आपसे गिरेगी नहीं, then definitely you can buy this. But from my side, if you are a person जिससे 1 or 2 सबसे गिर जाती है, then definitely I will not suggest you to buy a bottle from Sugar Box. Next thing was this. So this was a very very cute unicorn pouch from Sugar Box. Quality absolutely amazing. I've not started using it, but till now I feel like the quality is very very amazing. It's so soft and I would definitely recommend you buying this. Okay, so the next is this. So I got a set of 12 pens from Sugar Box. The price is also written. It charged for 500. It has 12 pens in it of 3 different colors: blue, white and purple. See, if you are a huge unicorn fan, you must be knowing this. The unicorn items are a bit expensive. तो आप ये नहीं कह सकते हो कि Sugar Box is expensive, because till now I have bought only unicorn items, and obviously as we know, unicorn items are very very expensive as compared to the other items. So I will not say that it is expensive. It's absolutely amazing. The pen runs very well and swift. So I would definitely suggest you to buy this. If you will say that I would buy unicorn items again, definitely I'm gonna buy unicorn items again from Sugar Box. But I'm not gonna buy a bottle because now I know what the cons are. Alright, so next thing is this. So this was a very very cute bag. It was gifted to me by my mom on my birthday. This is a very 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 cute bag, and I have attached a small pouch. This was not in that. This is complimentary from my side. Okay, so this was a very 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 cute bag that I got from my mom. The color is absolutely amazing, and if you talk about the quality, oh my, quality is absolutely amazing. There is no problems with the quality. There is no problem with the zip till now. There is no problem at all. I would suggest you definitely to buy these kind of bags from Sugar Box. Bags get a huge thumbs up from my side, and if you say that I'm gonna buy that again, definitely I'm gonna buy it because the quality is absolutely amazing. Till now I've kept a lot of things in this, but there is no problems. It has 3 compartments in total, 1 in front and 1 in the middle compartment. It has a mini compartment within it. If you want to know what I carry in my bag, comment down below. Right, so yeah, that's it for this video. I really hope you guys found this video helpful. You came to know a lot of pros and cons about different products, and you came to know that what you need to buy and what to not. And I'm gonna talk to you in my next video. Till then, stay home, stay safe, stay tuned. If you want to be a part of the Sneha fam, Only thing you need to do is click on that subscribe option and that little bell to get notified each and every time I post a new video. And yeah, definitely shoutouts would be just next to this. So bye.